Yes, guys, we outside, you know. Yeah, man. And some jerk chicken, some real Jamaican red stripe beer, original. You know what I mean? That is it, guys. We outside, man. Fully outside, no joke. Rice and peas, some fry plantain, yeah, man, and some steamed cabbage. That is it. One sip and two Guinness in the meantime. Yeah, man, no joke. Mm-hmm. Full of flavor, guys. Full of taste. See what me? Yo. Yeah, man, that one you sell off. That one you bad. That one you bad. No joke. Yes, guys, just share live. Just me I say, yeah, man. Real vibes, guys. Real vibes. Yeah, see it there, man. That is it. We have the red stripe beer set speed, guys. No joke. Not real life, you know what I mean? This is life. And food nice, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thank you, Betty. Always respect. Yeah, man. One love, you know what I mean? Thank you. I really appreciate that. Come on, definitely. When I come to Chicago, we're gonna do this, alright? Yeah, man, for real. Yo, trust me guys, that jerk chicken sell off, it bad, it bad, it bad, it bad. Yeah man. Alright, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. And thing about it guys, it's seasoned to the bone. You see me? Yeah man. Packed with flavors. You know? No joke. Still hold on for the chicken leg bone. That's how nice it is, you know? Yeah man. I'm coming soon. Yeah man, I'm gonna be visiting really soon. But I'll definitely hit you up and let you know. Yeah man, everything is in process. Things is, getting stuff together. But I'll definitely link you up when everything put together, you know what I mean? Yeah man. See how me I deal with the bone, guys. For real, no joke. You're the first one to know when I'm coming to Chicago, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, definitely. You're gonna be the first to know when I'm coming to Chicago. Look at it, guys. I know it's a little bit dark, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. plate, guys. Look at my plate. That's how good the food is. Yeah, man, that's how good it is. For real, Betty. Big up yourself. Don't joke. Yeah, man. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Yeah, man. We outside doing it. Yeah, man. Just complete a very tough project in Houston, and I'm back home. You know, just relaxing, heading back to work tomorrow. Yeah, man. Start a new project again. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So it's all about hard work. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It is. It is really tender and juicy and packed with flavor. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. There's a lot of love in this jerk chicken. For real, no joke. Yeah, man. Just treating myself on this Sunday evening, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, for real. Yeah, man. Fully outside, you know what I mean? That is it. Take a prep inside. That's the jerk sauce. Yeah, man. Some fried plantain. Rice and peas. Steamed cabbage. That is it. Get myself another Guinness. Yeah, man, for real. Been working hard all week. Yeah. I only got 2 days to chill and relax. Back to work tomorrow. Yeah, man. So, I have to enjoy life while it lasts. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Especially when you work really hard. I feel like I deserve it. You know what I mean? Really. Yes, guys, as I'm about to end this live, I just want to say one love and much respect, and thank you guys, thank you all for your support. Flex, I say one love and much respect. That is it.